is where the magic happens. This is where the beads, after being processed, are being baked.
It's DJ Breezy.
I'm Felix Dogbe, the Vice President of True Worshippers Prophetic Dance Ministry, and today we are here at Krobosomania. We have visited Cedi man at his industry, and this is in connection with our project that we have coming up at Mafi Dedikope, where we are willing to put up a structure to give people skills in order for them to fend for themselves, because we believe in giving people the skill to fish and not giving them fish. So this is the factory where Cedi man does his production, and we are partnering with him in order for him to be able to train up the students we'll be having coming up. We are here with Marian and Harry, and they are board members. They are coming to do the necessary negotiation with Cedi man. Sister, let's go into his production room.
And the second one also we call it recycled transparent bead, and that one we use broken bottles or empty bottles like this. It can be beer bottles, Heinekens, milk of magnesia, Coca-Cola, Fanta, etc. Any kind of bottle or glass at all is good for us. We wash it nicely. After that, we break it into smaller pieces. Then we get a chunks like this. So it is very, very important to check the compatibility of each glass before you mix them. So now, I'll use my hand to fill them up. Less than 5 or 6 minutes, I can design something for you to see. And for powdered one, we use cassava leaf stalk. We place it at the center of the mold before designing, and that one will create a hole in it. So after tipping the first glass powder, I want all my lines to be straight to become very neat. Then I have to use my wooden pin to dress all the edges before adding new color to it. Finished product. See those ones? Then this one also is ready for firing.
This is where the magic happens. This is where the beads, after being processed, are being baked. So these you see here are ovens that bakes the beads in their various pots, and it is transformed from here into the oven, and it comes out very refinery and very nice. Let's go into the showroom. These are the handiworks of Cedi man, and these are authentic beads rightly made in Ghana by the hands of Cedi man, and these are products from recycled bottles. And as you can see, they are very authentic, they are very natural, they are very traditional. So these are the hand products that in the near future, when you partner with True Worshippers Prophetic Dance Ministry, we'll be able to come out and teach the young ones so that they can also produce such wonderful artifacts in order for us to export and even make it a point to sell to the indigents. So these are the works of Cedi man, and all we are asking is come and partner with True Worshippers Prophetic Dance Ministry so that we make this dream a reality. Thank you.